Hello and welcome to Colwich Junction. Now today's running session, I hope you're going to indulge me this one. These opening shots here are from 2019. When I saw this 37 in the Europhoenix livery, I was just blown away. I think it looks fantastic. And the moment Accurascale announced they were going to do one in this livery, I had to have one. It was just, that set the ball rolling for the Accurascale Class 37 for me. So yeah, you'll have to indulge me on this one. Some of the stock that it's pulling might not be right, but yeah, like I say, rule one is definitely applying here. Hope you enjoy the running shots amongst the other things that are in this mini update. A little bit of a change on this mini update and running session. A couple of my Accurascale Class 37s have been sort of languishing in the boxes for quite a while now. So I thought it was about time I detailed them up and got them out on the layout. As you can see from these photographs, 37608 has got quite a complex coupling arrangement on the front. Luckily, Accurascale do make some great magnetic couplings, alternative magnetic couplings, which I've fitted to the front end of 608 here. It looks like in real life it doesn't run with the front plough, so I've tried to copy that as best I can. Fitting the pipe work has become a little bit difficult, as you can't really tuck it all behind the ploughs. Well, I can't anyway, my fingers are too fat, but I think it looks absolutely fab once it's detailed up, and I don't think I'm ever going to weather this one. I'm not sure, but I don't think so. That'll probably change next week. It'll probably be filthy next time you see it on the layout. 37409 has also come in for some attention. Drivers were fitted some time ago along with the sound chip. Bogey chains had come disconnected at one end, so I've had to sort those out. I've added some pipe work and some ploughs. Yeah, and I know we've all been gushing about the Cavalex 56 recently, but these 37s for me are just absolutely fantastic looking models. Probably my favourites. A recent second-hand purchase is another Bachmann Class 20, this time 306. Here you can see in the DRS original livery. I've already got a Bachmann 20 in compass livery. This one is going to be the same, hopefully. Will go the same way. Asked for some advice off Instagram, off Facebook, on how to get rid of the decals. The factory-fitted ones. As you can see from these photos, they've come off quite effectively, so I'm just waiting for the Railtech transfers to be delivered, and we'll crack on with that one. So that's another project that's ongoing as well. From here on in, I'm just going to leave you with some running shots, so see you on the next one. Bye.